Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel DIY craft videos. Guys, in this video today I will show you DIY fall burlap wreath ideas. So don't go anywhere guys. It's the perfect time of year to make this easy DIY fall burlap wreath. I love fall. It's my favorite time of year. That's probably because I grew up on a farm, and for winter Christmas, when a farmer brings in the harvest, well, it's always such a great feeling. In addition, I love all of the colors of the season, the cooler weather, and all of the delicious aromas marinating in the air. Recently, I moved into a condo. Therefore, this is my first season in my new home because of this move. I am gradually adding a few new pieces to our decor. Since I enjoyed making a DIY patriotic burlap wreath and other wreaths earlier in the year, I decided I would make one for Christmas, holiday or fall or etc. I always love getting a great bargain. As a result, I try to get my supplies when they are on site. This burlap wreath project is no different. So guys, in this video I will tell you something new. I found spools of burlap ribbon on sale for half price. This ribbon is great because it has little tiny wires on the sides, so it is easy to shape. For this particular wreath, I used 3 spools of each. I really hope that you will like these ideas. All designs are different from each other. So guys, please don't go anywhere. Stay with me and keep watching my videos. In my next video, I will show you burlap flowers ideas, which are very beautiful and stunning. If you want tutorials of these wreaths, then you have to comment me in comment section. I will reply on your comment and fulfill your request as soon as possible. Burlap wreath is perfect if you want to transform your outdoor home this season. If you love all of burlap wreaths that you see on Pinterest and my images in home decor magazines at your favorite arts and crafts store or channel, but have been afraid to make them, then this quick and easy DIY craft ideas for you. All you get started with. What we love about burlap wreaths are their versatility. They can be rustic and vintage looking, or you can make them modern with simple embellishments. Don't feel like you have to make your burlap wreath look exactly like the ones you see on other videos. Burlap wreaths, be creative and start with this one first. Then move on the different sized shape wreaths, different ribbons types and more. So thank you so much guys. Take care of yourself. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to share my videos with others. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you. Always be happy. Thanks for watching.